Exploring the meaning of black hole. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and explore the term black hole. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it in conversations. Let's get started. The term black hole originally comes from astronomy. In this context, a black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It's called black because it absorbs all the light that hits it, and hole because everything nearby gets sucked in. Imagine a vacuum cleaner that's so powerful it sucks up everything around it, including light. That's somewhat how a black hole works in space. Beyond the world of astronomy, black hole has a figurative meaning too. When someone refers to something as a black hole in everyday conversation, they might mean 1. A place or situation where things disappear or are lost. 2. Example, I don't know where all my money goes. My wallet is like a black hole. 3. An emptiness or void inside someone or something. 4. Example, after the breakup, he felt a black hole in his heart. In both uses, the common theme is the idea of something consuming or absorbing something else completely. Just like the astronomical black hole that consumes light and matter. To use black hole in your conversations, it's important to ensure the context matches the meaning. Here are some examples. 1. Discussing finances. My monthly bills are like a black hole. I need to budget better. 2. Talking about time management. Social media is a black hole for my time. I need to limit my usage. 3. Describing emotions. When she left, there was a black hole of sadness inside me. Remember, context is key. Always ensure your listener understands whether you're talking about the astronomical phenomenon or using the term figuratively. And that wraps up our exploration of the term black hole. Whether you're gazing at the stars or discussing the mysteries of life, you're now equipped to use and understand this phrase confidently. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the English language.